Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 3rd, 2020, and I wanted to talk about this particular market right here, which is rocket companies. Man, look at what occurred into the market for rocket companies yesterday. Okay, it is all the rave right now in the markets. Everyone is talking about this stock and its massive breakout that it did in one day. 71.19% the market in rocket went up. Now, what good is it for us to become aware of this market move after the fact? It's important that we ensure that we are always in position to capitalize on these type of price movements, right? And we did a price prediction in rocket all the way back here on February the 19th, anticipating that the market was going to go higher in price. We saw that the strength was there back here on the 18th of February to capitalize on this market movement. Now, granted, you can see that we only had a restriction right there around $22, but we knew the direction to which the price was going to go. So now, before I go into that, before I give you all the updated play into the market in rocket, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification. You can join us on our own website. We do a lot of other plays that we don't do videos for on our website, HueFinancial.com as well. The link is in the description of the video. And guess what? It's free. So make sure you head on over there as well. So, like I said, what caused the market to have this massive breakout to the upside? What was it? Because there was a cause that provided the market movement that we've seen yesterday, right? And it was this whole area right here in rocket was consolidating. It was building up enough energy so it can catapult itself back up to higher price. That is precisely what that meant. And now we have it. So now the question is, where are we headed now? Right? That is after the fact. If you couldn't capitalize on that 71 price movement yesterday, if you wasn't in the play already, you missed out. But you know what? The market always gives us opportunity. So let's see. Congratulations to those who was able to catch that market move for us on our prediction. It was 9.77%, which is good. You know, don't let no one shun you away from making profits out the market, because for everyone who is making profits, there is also someone who is not. So 9.77%, let's say you wanted to get out on the close of yesterday, that would be about 107% profitability, right? So good call on those who was able to see this market and rocket shoot up literally like a rocket. So let's take that away and let's get in position. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up our chart. Okay, we don't like dirty charts. Dirty charts gives us nothing but confusion, and there's enough of that already going on in the stock market. So let's take one of these away. Okay, let's take this one away because obviously we are trading in a totally different realm. Rocket has never seen price come all the way up here towards $42. So we are in uncharted territory. We're going to have to consider playing our play on an hourly time frame until we find a firm area of support. Okay. Now, obviously, I want you all to see this line right here. Okay. The high of that particular day was $34.42. We can actually see the market in rocket come all the way back down and test that. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen today. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but this high that came in on September the 2nd, 2020, keep that in your radar. Just saying. So now let's check this out on an hourly time frame. And you guys can see that the massive movement in rocket is still there. And take a look at this. Okay. Could this be the ultimate trend that the market in rocket can follow now? Also notice there's a gap. Okay, now I'm not saying it doesn't have to happen all the time, but definitely the market tries to come and reclaim and fill this void, because what this void means, it lets us know that there wasn't no market right there from this particular 1 hour price bar to the next one. There wasn't no market. There wasn't no buyers and no sellers right there. Okay, now we're going to break this down to a smaller time frame. Let's see this on a 15-minute time frame in Rocket. This is the current trend, just to let you all know and see. This is the current trend into the market in Rocket. Massive uptrend going on right now in this space. And as of right now, it still looks like the market is going to go higher in price in Rocket. And the problem is that we have no place to see where support lies. I'm sorry, where restriction is. We have no place. Okay. I do like what's going on though in the market in Rocket. The only place that we can see us grab some support is right there around $39. $39, no lower than $37.50. Okay. That is what we're seeing. $37.50. The market in Rocket cannot go below in order for us to really see higher price movement. You can see already in pre-market, the market in Rocket is down from where we closed at on yesterday. So the weakness is definitely coming through to the market in Rocket, albeit we may hold some consolidational trading for the time being. But looking at this on a minute time frame, this particular stock is still garnering strength at the moment. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick into the market in Rocket. Okay, we're going to continue to play the strength in this particular stock, right? We said that what, $37.50 the market in Rocket cannot break in order for us to continue to see this higher price movement. And that's it. Now, anywhere in the green would have to be TP. Okay, I'm just giving you all the heads up now, because like I told you, we are trading in uncharted territory. As I zoom out, there's no price history for Rocket up here towards $40. Okay, so this play is going to be valid until we see this market ultimately break $37.50. Okay, so I'm just going to extend this trend up higher. And that is the trend that we're going to follow. Okay. So now this is it. We're in position. This is our expectations of to what we expect the market in Rocket to do. Now it's your turn. What do you all see? What is your play? Do you think the market in Rocket is going to go lower past $37.50? Or do you think we're going to continue to see higher price? Let us know. Let everyone else in our community know what you think about Rocket and where price is headed, because you need to get in position as well. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.